This laptop, it is worth more than 300,000 Kenya shillings. And what is cool about this laptop is not about the price, it's about the features and the purpose that we want to use this laptop for. The first thing that surprised me about this laptop is about the packaging. It comes with two different boxes. This is the outer box and this is the inner box. This is the one that is carrying the real masterpiece. That being said, first I want to tell you about this just in a nutshell, not into details, but this is an 11th generation laptop. It is a Core i7 and the touch display, as you can see itself, is so much small. It is 13.4. First of all, this laptop, it comes with a touch display. It is touchscreen, and the keyboard itself, it is white, and it comes with a very big processor, the one that you can use for gaming. Actually, it is a gaming laptop, but I want to use it with editing videos, and I want to use it with my career, editing video, photography, videography, and all of that. But the disadvantage feature about this is that this laptop, it is not at 360 degrees. That is how far it can open. It can't pass there, not unless you want to break it. So without further ado, let's jump in to unboxing this beast with you, my fans. Yeah guys, and that is all about it. If you enjoy this video on my YouTube channel, I do this type of content: product review, items review, and also photography and videography content once in a while. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below on the next video that you want me to do, and I'll be so much happy to reply to you. Don't forget to subscribe if you're a new subscriber. If you're a returning subscriber, peace. I love you guys. See you guys in the next video.